Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick pasta recipe which is inspired from my mom. So let's have a quick look at the ingredients. I've taken wheat pasta. You can take any kind of pasta you like. So I've taken 2 cups of wheat pasta in a pan. Now I'll add some water to it. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Put it over a flame. On medium flame I would prefer, so that the pasta is well cooked. If you're using wheat flour pasta, then please add 1 teaspoon of oil as well, so that it doesn't stick to each other while preparing. The pasta is cooked now. We'll drain the pasta off and take another pan and put some oil in it. After the oil is hot, we'll add some cumin seeds to it. Now simmer the flame and add the chopped onions to the oil. Saute the onions until they turn light brown. Now the onions have taken a nice color. Keep the flame on low and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Now we'll add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Give it a good stir. Keep the flame on low. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll give it a good stir. We'll add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Again, mix it well. Now the sauce is prepared for the pasta. We'll add the boiled pasta that we had prepared earlier to this sauce and give it a good stir. In the end, we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. We'll keep cooking the pasta until the sugar is completely melted. Our pasta is now ready and it tastes super yum. Please do try this recipe at home and do share your views in the comment section below. You can garnish this pasta with some coriander leaves or whichever way you want. So this is the pasta which is quick and easy and kids' all-time favorite. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new such videos every week. Till then, toodles!